I'm going to assume we're already logged in and we're looking at our blank photo gallery page. So I'm just going to cheat and go directly to the photo gallery page. And I'm going to go up here and click Edit Page. Now that we're here, we're looking at the text area and it's blank. So this is where we're going to built in right off the shelf. Nothing special. We do create, galleries that are more custom that will lead you through, but this will be pretty easy. So let's just title this Test Gallery 1, and we'll make sure we're going to be I'm going to be in the visual tab right here rather than text. This text. This is where you see lots of code and stuff, but we're going to do it visual, so it's just like working in a Word document. So I'm going to call it Test Gallery, and I'm going to give it, I'm not even sure how it's going to look when we pop out, but let's just give it a heading 2. And this will give it, it'll probably be bigger and it'll look special and it will split things up. So I just gave it a return and my cursor is set right here. So this is where our gallery is going to start. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to click Add Media. And this is going to take us to the area that has all our photos and PDFs that we've uploaded. And if you look on the left, there's a list of things here. And what I'm going to do is click Create Gallery. And it's going to show us all of our media, but it's only showing us JPEGs and photos because it knows that that's all it's going to be able to display in the gallery. So I'm just going to click. Let's just assume, let's go, there's just 4. I'm even going to do an odd number. So I'm going to do 4. Let's do 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is all of our images selected. And we can actually add text to this. I haven't even tested this out today, but let's just say this is Gallery 1. I'm going to add that in the caption, and I'm assuming that's going to be underneath the whole gallery. So let's click in the bottom right, create a new gallery, and it's isolated everything. We can select different styles for our gallery. I'm just going to leave it fairly basic. It's going to link to, so when this is linked to, what all the images link to, I'm going to say link to media file. Each image is a media file. And actually you can add a caption to each one, so I'm going to go photo 1. I'm going to save time. I'm going to copy and paste that. You don't have to do this, but I want to make a shorter video. So photo 1, photo 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can change how many columns. I'm going to make it 4 columns. It can be whatever. You can play with that to see what looks better on the page. But what it should do is, so it'll go 4 across and then a new row 4 across, and I believe I have 9, so we'll have an oddball hanging on the bottom, which is totally fine. The size, what this is size is the images, like the grid of images. I'm going to go with thumbnail because we're going to have multiple galleries and I don't want each gallery to be too big, but I want it to be big enough. And this link to like a media file, that's what the uploaded image, so it'll just be, if you want to have a gallery that isn't clickable and doesn't open up a bigger image, you can select none and it won't be clickable. It'll just be like a bank of photos. So anyway, so I'm going to hit Insert Gallery to insert it where our cursor was on the page. And here it is. It still does not look exactly like it's going to be on the page because this is our, our admin area, and it doesn't have all the styles that that we have. I entered that caption to the gallery. I'm not sure if that's going to come through, but we shall see. So there's our title, our gallery. I hit Update. And here I'm going to click View Page at the top, or you could click this link right here, same thing. And here we go. This is our gallery. So that gallery caption that I originally put didn't come through, but here's our title. Not too special, but it's there. And it's actually, let's see, I'll have to see, maybe I typoed and put photo 8 instead of 1 there. But anyways, that's not the point of this. So in that, this is the magic. We can click photo, and right here there's a little arrows that go next, next, next. And that is great. So if I want to change something on the gallery, I'm going to hit edit page. I'll come back up. I want to change that typo that I had in the first image. You know what? I'm not even sure. Oh, well, there it is. Well, let's check our order. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and there's this. Okay. Okay, so to edit the gallery, I click this and we get a blue border on the whole gallery, and then we got a little pencil here. I'm going to click the pencil, or edit pencil, and I'm going to rename this last one 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I know what happened. I checked random order, so it randomized our gallery. I'm going to uncheck that. Click update. Click update again. So I hit update twice because I updated my preferences for the gallery, and now I have updated the page itself. Now let's go check our work. Clicking that, and there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and everything opens up. Great. And we've only got, we don't have a next arrow here because it's the last photo in the gallery. So let's add multiple galleries. So I'm going to click edit page. I'm just going to go to the bottom of this, and my cursor is up here. I'm gonna use my arrow keys, and I pressed right once. I'm gonna go until my cursor's on the far right there blinking. You can see right there. I'm gonna hit return a couple times. Now my cursor's at the bottom, so I'm going to call it gallery 2. I don't really care for that style of heading 2, so let's try heading 3. Could be interesting, because I haven't tested what we styled each thing as. So this one, test gallery. For consistency, I'll call it test gallery 2. I'll put another return. Click add media. I'll click create gallery. Let's make it like a really small oddball one. So there's 4, let's make it 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. And entering caption, didn't really do much. Let's see, I put test on description. We'll see if that comes through. You know what, I'm not going to enter any captions. So let's see what that does. I'm going to make it 4 columns again. Going to have link to media file, so it just links to the images. Size is thumbnail, and now I'll hit insert gallery. There it is. I'm going to update the page. Now let us view page. I hit the view page button this time, but it's the same as that other thing that I did. So here we go. Like without captions, it actually got a little more compact. So if you don't need captions, which you might want captions, I'm sure, then you have the option of keeping it compact here, and it looks good. And so yeah, it looks like our heading 3 doesn't look much better than our heading 2 did, but that's okay. So now you can see, you can just, if you need more galleries, you can just add more. There is a little bit of space between these two, but if you remember, I hit 2 returns, and you can probably control the spacing just like that. And like, it's not to say that, I'll go back to edit page. Like if you might want to, even if you don't want captions, you know, in lieu of captions, you could put return, and you can enter just a regular description here. I'm just going to make believe we got a description here, and you can just do it that way, and we'll hit update. view page. And there, I have, oh, it looks like I duplicated, I duplicated my gallery here. I think when I copied and pasted one of the descriptions, so I clicked, I'm going to click the gallery and see where we had our edit pencil. There's an X to remove. I click X and it's gone. I'll update the page. I'll click the page, click view again. And there we are. So there's even the description and with all the other stuff, good stuff too. So that hopefully works for you for how to add multiple galleries and get them edited, captions, no captions, removing a gallery, and all that good stuff. Thanks.